Okay, what is going on? I haven't been live in a minute, so thank you for joining. And if you're late, thank you for joining anyways. Like if you're watching this and you know, I just have to make sure that the stream is going because I did want to live. I wanted to go live on TikTok, but I got like two camera shot. And plus my phone's just like sitting right there and I didn't want it to die, honestly. So I need to put it on the charger. But I hope everyone's having a good morning. Did see price reject off of this order block up here. Uh, yeah, we are live. Let me just. Oh yeah, we're live. We're live, baby. We're live, baby. All right. Yeah. Um. Welcome. 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 Just gotta make sure I got everything set up. I do got the chat right there. So where did chat just go? Oh shit. I'm not gonna lie, y'all just disappeared. Oh shit. Put you right there. Let me fix my screen real quick. Do that. Boom. Boom. Okay, I guess it won't work. I don't know how I'm supposed to be looking at chat. I guess I can do it on the phone, but um, yeah, let me just in case anyone does come in, but we are. So we did break structure of that previous day's low on 30. Then we got a retracement back up into this order block. Then we got rejected. I wonder what market is going to do. I'm recording the wrong screen by the way. But this is basically what I'm looking at. So market did run this previous day's low, got a break of structure, then we got a retracement back up into this order block. I wonder if it's gonna break structure again. Oh, I really shouldn't even use this low. That was I just be up on here fucking like going crazy with the little editing stuff, but it's kind of cool to be messing with. I'm gonna just use my second screen as the screen where I'm gonna place my trade instead of trying to, because I'm trying to get all of my charts to look the same, or at least most of them, bro. Before this rundown, this candle right here, this is what 8 8 to 345 on the 15, 8 to 345, which I really shouldn't need that. If I was just talking in a 1 to 2, but I need to see a break of structure. I really need to just see price action. I really don't have to mark up anything on funded X. I really don't like using that chart. Seems like Nasdaq we're still dropping after we did get that 15-minute for value gap fill. Also a retracement back up into this London low. Not London low, Asian session low. I wonder what kind of news we have today. News, and then right now we have news. Okay, at 9, and then right now. Seems like we're not going lower than this low right here on NASDAQ. Hmm, crazy time. I don't expect market to come down here, but if it does, I will be targeting this fair value gap down here and this previous day low. And I don't really see a reason why I would want to, but it does seem like we're getting that retracement after leaving this 15-minute fair value gap behind during London session. Not even during London, during New York. Yeah, it seems like we're getting that retracement back down. And Dow, we did get that order block tap. We're getting a breaker structure to the downside off of this candle right here. It's kind of lagging behind because this is an online trading view, but I don't have my subscription on here. But it's basically just doing the same thing that it's doing on the screen right now. Yeah, we're getting a retracement back up on NASDAQ. Let me go through my training ritual right quick. Trading ritual. Just so I won't fuck myself over. These are my goals that I have written down. You might call me crazy, but I'm supposed to be going to college, online college, and I'm not doing that shit. So, yeah, I opened the courses yesterday. So the online college, bro, that shit is crazy. Open the courses. Let me just show y'all right quick. Matter of fact, since I have the opportunity. Open the online courses, and it's so much bullshit, bro. Look at this shit. Oh, I gotta log in. Damn it. No, I don't. Look at this. Basic accounting. Who the fuck is gonna do all of this? Not me. I'm about to just become a goat at trading and drop out first day. Because, bro, after not being in school for so long, I'm literally not about to do it. I don't want to do it. And you're not about to force me to do something I don't want to do. But, yeah, so I'm about to give trading my all. Literally just say, fuck it. Fuck college. Because I really don't care about college. And it's a waste of time, honestly. It's crazy that I've come to that decision though. I was thinking about it all yesterday. Like I don't really know what to do like about that. Looks like on Dow we're getting that retracement back up into the order block on Top Step. But I was thinking about that shit all day when I was at the gym. I don't know who the fuck would rather choose college over just learning how to trade. This 5 minutes is an hour, 5 minute. The hour's about to close too. Hmm. What does 4 hour look like? 4 hour. We do have equal lows. Basic. Not really. Not really. We kind of did create some. So when this 4 hour does. And then we have a 4 hour fair value gap up here that I didn't even notice, which might not come in handy, but I'm just gonna draw it out just in case. We did get breaker structure right here through these two blows right here. So we might get a retracement back up here, or yeah, we might get a retracement back up here when market opens. We might see some bullshit just go fly all the way up there. Man. Might even miss my trade idea. Which I don't know if I should go for that because I'm short time bearish right now. I feel like we can go back bullish soon, but we dropped hella points yesterday, especially from trying to target this all-time high, and not even on the not Nas Dow, but on Nas we dropped like a massive amount yesterday. So what do I think is going to happen? Let's not bias today. London session. So we started a consolidation, started expanding down to the downside. We broke Asian session structure. So I would look for a retracement, which we did get that retracement right here. Boom. So I missed that trade, which is okay because it's not what my trade hours are, which doesn't really matter because I really could have took that trade if I would have trusted it. But it's something we see repeat on a daily basis. So we see that 15-minute per value gap fill, and then if we look on 30, 30's not doing nothing right now. On Let me just show you all. Right now, it's literally just coming up to this order block again. With 8 minutes left in this candle. Hold on. Yeah. We gotta break a structure. We might get that retracement back. That might be what we're doing right now is retracement. But why would we retrace? Is there something deeper that I'm not looking at? This 5 minute just closed. Um, mm, 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 mm. This liquidity void right here. This is probably what we're targeting. I wonder. You might not. I want to see what it does though. If it does reach into this spot, not even. If we get a reaction, it would be wow. Not expecting a reaction out of that spot, but that spot is pretty interesting. The spot in general is kind of interesting. We are getting rejected. Oh, but yeah, we do have that. I have a 1 hour fair value gap right here. We did get a breaker structure to the downside. Looks like we're gonna retracement back up. We have 22 minutes until market opens. We're not gonna get anything off of this, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you. I wouldn't say I'm knocking this spot, but if market does end up opening, I would expect a fat expansion to come up in here and at least tap the middle. Just fill this zone right here. That's exactly what I'd be looking for. What do I trade? I trade futures. I'm looking at the Dow and I'm looking at Nasdaq right now. I didn't realize that Top Step had had took money out of my account, so now I have another combine I can pass, which that's what I'm going to be taking a trade on today as well. Kind of nervous. Kind of nervous. Because yesterday, dude, was the worst day ever. I was up like 800 on this funded, and then I had like blew it all. And then I gained it all back. because I revenge traded. I risked everything when I knew I shouldn't have. And I was, how do I manage my risk? Honestly, I've been learning about that. I've been learning about that. I really didn't understand how many contracts I should use it. Oh my God, how many contracts I should use at first, or how much I should risk. And I still, speaking of that, I want to, my, it does, it definitely does. I have to search up something right quick. Because I was watching this YouTube video a couple months ago, and let me see. Calculator. Watching this video months ago, and I need to calculate something, but I don't have the right calculator for it. I calculate my lot size and risk and everything. That's what I need to do, honestly. I don't know how many. I know whatchamacallit shows it. Uh, Pretty sure it shows it on here, but um, doesn't show it unless I'm just overlooking it. Oh well, doesn't really matter. We're getting that retracement down. Stoic. And they've been. Damn it. It's 250K accounts, but one's an evaluation, one's a funded. Or combine, whatever the fuck. Under Aztec. Tapped into that 15-minute again on NASDAQ. It isn't showing after we did get that down. Honestly, don't like trading. I don't like trading NASDAQ spread, bro. It moves way too fast. I'm risking about since the drawdown on my account is like 2,000. It's 2,000 for the on the funded, I'm pretty sure. Or no, it's 1,300. Um oh yeah, it's 1,300 on the Express account. So I'm be risking probably about like 150 each trade. My max drawdown a day is 300. But if I win two trades, I'm done for the day. Or no, if I win one, I'll get three trades maximum. If I win one, have another trade. But if I lose the next trade, I'm done. If I have two losses for the day, I'm done. If I have two wins, I'm done. Or if I have two break evens, I'm done. But I'm not gonna try to over trade over, because I know myself, and we have 1 minute until this 15 candle closes. It's closing on the upside, right above that previous day's low. But if we don't get if we don't get that close up there, I would want to assume that we probably are going up there to take liquidity and resume downwards. Yeah. I've been trying to trade the minis too. Honestly though, I've been kind of annoyed with how small it is. I've been like, but like I know like I really shouldn't even be worried about it, even though like Nasdaq still moves fast, and even if I do trade like 5 contracts, like it's not really like that much of a deal. But just one contract of just like the regular Nasdaq or Dow. God, not even Dow. I wouldn't really say Dow, but Nasdaq. Oh my gosh, bro. Literally being butt raped by every single fucking thing possible. I haven't traded S&P yet though. Yes, I know. So for this funded account, I realized that even if I do like I was trading 5 contracts at first, which is kind of a lot, and I didn't realize that at first until I accidentally put a trade in. And I realized it was a lot. So now I'm gonna be just trying to trade 3 contracts, and then um once I gain more confidence, I'm gonna just I'm gonna go to 4 contracts. I think I'm gonna max out at 5 contracts, but that's if I do have enough get enough confidence for that. But for this evaluation that just got bought today, really don't give a fuck. I'm going to be risking probably like 500 each trade just to try to see if I can pass that account. Because they stole my money, which it would be a waste of money if I just blew that account, but that's not what I'm gonna do. Hmm. It's kind of weird. I get like super what's that shit called? Um, I don't even know. Forgot that fast. Self-centered, self-focused, self-conscious. I get super self-conscious, especially since I see that. Maybe I should just turn the camera. Nah, I don't even notice. Hmm. I wonder if we are going to get a retrace. We didn't leave anything on Nasdaq. Um, the restriction. So I did those order blocks up there. Where could we be reaching though? Not really any place to reach. We have equal lows, right? 3 equal lows. Oh shit. I didn't notice that. Put this on the daily. Yesterday's. I have a giant daily for value gap up there. I think I do like this trade on Nasdaq. If we get a retracement back up here into this 15-minute for value gap, that might be an optimal trade entry as well. And that just seems like the most likely. Yeah, yeah. I want to see if it's going to come back up here. Probably not. Does seem like we would be able to get a retracement ourselves. Just gotta be patient. Don't rush anything. Happens, happens.
His 13-year-old daughter Gianna and 7 others, including their pilot.
Bro, these edits are so tough. Alright, this is Proverbs 11. False balances and foundation. But a just way is his delight. And from it comes disgrace. I'm dead, bro. Market open.
I cannot gain anything without first giving something in return. To obtain something of equal value must be lost. That is alchemist's first
Have y'all watched Full Metal Alchemist? Full Metal Alchemist is such a heavy show. Yeah, now I need to adjust my risk, which is fine. Bro, what's gold doing? I just coughed and my whole hip area just cracked. Insane. I don't trade gold nor silver. I just like seeing what they're gonna do. I'm bearish today. I think we might be reaching. That's a 4 hour gap that I seen, right? No, we can't be reaching for that. That's not important. So it's probably where it's reaching for. In the 15 minute, we do have this. We might take it above there, but I wouldn't want to see it break structure above this high right here. And if we do, it's weird. Because then I'm gonna not know what to do anymore. This ain't doing shit. Looks like we're gonna retracing back into that 15-minute for value gap. I wonder if we're going into that. This is what I would. This is what I just marked out. But yeah, I wonder if it's going back into this area. This is what I was just thinking about. Looking for, yeah, basically the same area interest in both. Where I'll be looking to take my trade. Which one looks like you'll have the most probability chance of getting traded into? Probably, I would say I'll be looking forward to trading the second half. Mm. And this first 15-minute candle, closed halfway. I like this trade I do. I like this trade I do. I'll be looking forward to take it into this zone right here. I'll be looking to take shorts off of this right here with a 50-point stop. 50 point is more than enough. Just right above this high as well. And shit fucking on my head. We'll see. That might be my trade I did for the day on 30. Look for a retracement back up. Just three contracts. Let me see. Supposed to be looking up a lot size calculator. Futures market. Dow, E-mini. Short. Let's say entry price. What is that? It's a it's for value. I just picked. Let me. It's the 50% level. This round as well. Continuation downwards. It's that 15-minute for value, yo. We really want to see it go any higher, but we already built the which we could kind of. Looks like we're getting that fill. We're getting that fill. We're getting this 15-minute for value gap fill on Nasdaq. What is Dow doing? We're still consolidating right below that previous day, right above that previous day's low. Looks like market's about to open as well. It's consolidating above equilibrium. So it seems like this is equilibrium for this zone. 2 minute, we're closing down, we're grabbing we came down into this order block and through 15-minute. Let me drop back to the 1 hour just so I can get a better look at what price is doing. Macro Dow, make sure my contracts are right. might get this. Targeting slow. What is Nas doing? We got that. Look, we got that 15-minute for value guy fill. That was my trade. That's what I was thinking about taking on. Okay, we seen that work. Okay, now what could we be expecting Dow to do if it just doesn't drop off like looks like it's going to do? Hmm. We just tapped into that daily for value gap. That's what we were reaching for. I just realized. Okay, so we reached into the daily for value gap. Now what? Let me get my screens right so I can potentially take a trade. I might not, but I'm gonna trust my trade idea. I'm gonna still go short today, even though we did trade into that 1 hour or 1 day, that daily for value gap. I still trust my trade idea if we do get that retracement back up. But same thing with Nasdaq though. I'm gonna look forward to go to this 30 because I trust this 30 way more. Yeah, I trust this 30 way more than I trust that 15. And I think 4 contracts will be okay. Market. Looks like I'm getting my trade retracement right about almost now. Let me see what Dow's doing right quick then, since you want to fucking consolidate. Looks like we're going back down into that daily. We really didn't do anything. Nice. Looks like I might be able to get my trade on NASDAQ. Alright. I was too slow to click the fucking sell
Order
button.
filled. Order filled.
Okay, I just motherfucking what did I just do? Dow. Oh my gosh, bro. I accidentally put an order in. Oh my gosh. Hold on. See, this is the shit that pisses me the fuck off. I'm risking one base, technically 150. Let me just go for 1 and 2. What the fuck? I'm gonna hope this goes down because if it doesn't, I'm actually going to be so pissed. Bro, check this shit out, bro. I accidentally put a fucking trade in on fucking. Look at this shit. I'm just gonna hope it goes down so I can close my position. I have my stop loss on.
Order
I'm
filled.
just close it right there because I don't wanna. Okay, down 50 on the day already. All right, we're just gonna trust our trade I did right here. Watch what happens. Seems like on the 5 minute we did get that rejection, so I'm gonna move my stops to 500. Actually, that might have been the wrong move, which it never did come down to my TP. I want to break even though. Right, risking 160, not 150. I realized that. Um, Um,
Order filled.
we ended up hitting TP, but I want to see what Market's gonna do. Because we did hit TP, and we wouldn't have hit TP if I would have kept moving my shit. But we hit TP. Now, I want to know if Dow is rejecting that. I wonder how much is rejecting that for value gap. Not much, I see. Well, that was my trade of the day. I'm gonna just leave the day with one win. I'm gonna be content with what I got. Unless another trade opportunity does. But um I'm just trying to raise my account balance to 4K. Hmm. If we do get a retracement, we might get a retracement up here just to fill the rest of this fair value gap. If we do end up getting that retracement, I might take a trade with two contracts. Um, but the way the market is looking, what's happening to that 50 zone? I'm not gonna take a trade on Dow only just because I don't like how Dow is moving, but the way Nasdaq looks, I still don't like the way I would have been able to. That'd have been a nice trade if I would have just targeted down here like I was planning on doing, but didn't want to be greedy with how much whatchamacallit I seen. But that's okay. Just take it slow. We did tap into that 50 zone. We might come for a fair value gap fill. What do you think about a fair value gap fill? It depends, honestly. We have a previous day's high right there as well. So we have equal highs. I think right here will honestly be I wouldn't say smart. I want to know what it's going to do. It's getting me interested. Looks like Nas is just falling. Oh, looks like we did end up getting a retracement. It looks like it wants to retrace, but considering one of the candles. Oh, damn it. That hurts. Considering one of the candles did close, I mean, we are getting that retracement back up out of there. So, I mean, I think that would have been a nice trade if anyone did take that trade. But for it to be a daily for value gap, I'd probably look for a close because I don't know. I don't know. I want to take a look on the express count. I probably could. Let me see. I'm on NASDAQ right now. Looks like we're getting a retracement back up into the zone. After we, what, cleared this low. And you still have 11 minutes in that. Oh my gosh, dude. I think this would be a smart. Did it come back up to take liquidity? Hold on. What is it doing? Probably not on the Dow, but NASDAQ. What are you doing? Because in the 15 minutes, you still have so much time left. 5 minute hasn't even closed yet. When are you coming back up here for? Looks like you did come up here to take liquidity. You might not. You might just hit that. It's about to close. But even if we do go up there, what could we be looking for? Because this 5 minutes about to close. That was just around on liquidity. And that first 5 minute candle did close. Head hurts, bro. Looks like we're still rejecting. And uh, yeah, looks like we're still rejecting. I don't think that 15 or that daily gap is gonna hold. We're getting a break. 44 seconds into this 5 minute closes. I'm gonna see where this is gonna close before I might take another trade on this combine, but we are getting some major wicks from down here. It's just building liquidity, building orders down here. Yeah, I might take the latest 5 minutes closes. Mm, yeah. I want to see it come up here and then just reject. Um, Looking for another 1 to 2 off of this candle. Gosh, bro. Stops above this high. I wonder. It's not right now.
Order filled.
Oh, motherfucker.
Order filled.
I gotta start checking that shit, bro. I be tweet geeked off perk off that shit, but I need to start checking that shit.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That stop was very short. Why am I just realizing that? Stop was very short. I'm tweet, bro.
Order filled. Order filled. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Can I can I say one more thing to you? Yeah. This is nephew Tommy from the Steve Harvey Morning. Verizon gives you.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
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 Order
Order
filled.
filled.